Hi, I've got a question for you. If you were born a tiger, would you prefer to be born in the zoo, the circus, or the jungle? And we actually ran a survey online to find out what would people's choices be. Interestingly, everybody or nearly everybody chose the jungle. And the question was why? Nearly all of them said freedom. And my thoughts went out this way. If you were born and lived in the zoo, your meals are taken care of, right? You're protected from poachers, from other wild animals that may want to get at you. You got your medical benefits. There's a zoo veterinarian to look after you. In case you start a family, if in case you mate and you have kids, the zoo takes care of it. You don't have to worry, right? Then you look at the circus. In the circus, you perform tricks. You get people to applaud you. When you perform the tricks, you get fed. You become the star attraction. They'll probably put you up on posters and banners and saying, so-and-so tiger from the zoo and jumping through fire. And if you were born in the jungle, man, that's a dangerous place to be. Besides the freedom, I don't think there's any benefits. So let's look at the negatives of all three, right? So in the zoo, you have a nasty sign that says, don't tease the animal. Why it's nasty? It's pretty insulting for a tiger to have on his cage, don't tease the tiger. Because in the real jungle, you couldn't possibly even tease a monkey. Forget a tiger, right? You don't have your freedom. You get old and lazy, but then is that a drawback? I don't know. Then let's look at the circus. Now the drawback of the circus is you have to do tricks, and if you don't do the tricks, you don't get fed. You might probably get whipped. Okay, you can live with that. And besides, the freedom is gone. But let's look at the drawbacks of the jungle. Like I said, except for freedom, everything else is paid for. Paid for with your life, literally. You got to protect your territory, right? Whatever you hunt, you eat. If you don't hunt, you don't eat. You can't take maternity leave. And when you have kids, you've got to go out there and look after those kids by hunting more to feed them. You got to train your kids to hunt because they're going to be living in the jungle. There are poachers coming after you. There's the constraint of the forest becoming smaller. There's the constraints of other animals coming to take over your territory. So why would anyone want to choose the jungle over the zoo or the circus? Now this is interesting, right? And I'm sure you're wondering, or even I would want to be in the jungle. But when we're living our lives as human beings, do you realize we're choosing the zoo? The career you get into, you want security in the job. You want your salary on time. You want your benefits to come on time. You want your promotion to come on time. If you want maternity leave, you want paternity leave. When you're not well, you want leave. That's the zoo. That's the zoo of careers. I'm not against it. I'll come to that part. Now let's look at the circus of careers. The circus of careers is these people who are good at their job and they get into jobs that have performance-linked incentives. You hit your target, take the money. You miss the target, take the punishment. And they love that. I'm not sure if everybody loves that, but that's the circus of careers. You have a certain amount of security, you have your government to protect you, the don't tease your tiger type of signs. You get various benefits. And what's the tiger of the jungle in careers? The tiger of the jungle is a person who chooses to live on his own terms. So maybe an entrepreneur, maybe someone who starts his own business and it's living on his own terms. He's living from contract to contract. He's got to take care of his kids, which is his team. Now, we are not tigers. We have a different set of rules. And I'm sure you're going to say, listen, Dominic, the tiger in the jungle, the zoo, that's all very fine for tigers, but not for me. And I agree with you. And that's the beauty of what I'm coming to. You see, we are human beings, right? We can adapt. And one of the things that I want all of us to adapt to is living like a tiger who chooses to walk into a zoo and stay in that zoo on his own terms and conditions. And that same tiger may walk into a circus. And that same tiger may walk into the jungle. What does this mean? Take up a job that has its security when it offers it. When they say there's no job security, you say, oh, it's okay, I don't have to worry. I don't want to go running to the government or running to some clauses and say, protect me. No, I'll protect myself. Because, by the way, this is the situation that we're facing today. And I hope you wake up to that reality. And if you get a job that's giving you a performance-linked incentive, please take it and go to hit the target, definitely. But don't rely on that job, on that target to feed you. Because if necessary, you'll say, I can walk into the jungle and feed myself. You won't go with your hands joined and say, please protect me. Oh sir, I've got family. Oh sir, you've got skills, you've got talent. Or do you? And why can't you hone them? Why can't you go out there and hunt for yourself? Give it a thought. So I'm running a program which is going to be talking about exactly this. And I'm going to take you through a few lessons on how you can relearn skills, because all of us were born like wild animals and we've got tamed over time. It's now refinding those skills, that talent, and honing the skills. That's all we need. And we need a bit of belief in ourselves, in our own skills, and not look out for protection from out there. So this is going to be a 5-day program called Lead, and the theme is live like a tiger, but lead like a lion. More about that later. And I'll leave you with one thought. No matter how bad people tell you the economy is, I want you to think about one thing, just one main thing. Everyone's saying the economy has tanked. I agree, the economy has tanked. But just remember one thing. Corona has attacked people's body and scared the shit out of their minds. But the money is still out there. It's not been attacked by termites. The money has not crumbled. It's not disappeared. The gold that was there, the oil that was there, the opportunity that was there is still there. When it comes to the opportunity, it may have changed the way it looks, but it's still out there. What we've got to do is adapt. Let's go into that jungle, find our own meals. The circus may have closed, which they have. The zoos may have shut down, which they have. The jungle is still out there. Join me, 5 days. Let's change the way you think. Let's change the way you act. God bless. Keep rocking.